We are going to be creating users account in Active Directory users and computers. So you can see we have created different organizational units, and here in users in admin, you can see we have the account which was created manually, which is called Kelvin Johnson, and he's a member of the domain admin. But I want to create multiple users account using PowerShell script. So what you need to do first is to create a .csv file. So you can see the first name, last name, user's name, password, and OU. So if I double click, you can see I'm going to use the first name, the last name, and then we have the account the user's logon name, and it's going to be at kelglobal.com, and that is the address. And you can also add multiple variables to your script, but for right now, we're going to do it very simple. And this is the script we are going to be using. So let me just change this to capital letter for this purpose training, because the one I created manually was in capital letter. So here you can see we're going to be using this location. The file is in this location. This is the name going to be using is the variable name, and we're going to use we will be using the import csv command. And for each loop, you'll be using this a lot if you are working with PowerShell scripts in Active Directory users and computers. So we're going to do the for each loop using the command user in users, that's the users. And then we're going to say the password is going to be secure. We're going to convert that to string users.password. And then we're going to use the new Active Directory users command. Then these are all the different variable, which of course should correspond to what you have here. Right now, you can see my user's name, Thomas, Rock, and this is the first name and the last name. And then we have the user's name, Thomas.rock, the password, and the location where the account will be stored. So we have, for example, the help desk, we have the sales department, IT department, and it all correspond to these various location. So let's run this command and see what happens. So we're going to run that. We didn't receive any error message. So I'm going to just go to my users and then do a refresh. And then if I go to admin, you can see, oh, help desk, 3 account has been created. IT, we have Tinike. Marketing, we have Cliff and Rudy. Also, we also have different accounts that has been created. So if I go to my account, you can see that the kelvglobal.com. And also, if I go to general, you can see we have just simple information. The display name is not added, description, office. So we are still missing a lot of information. For example, the email, if you are working for a big organization, definitely the email will be added. This is going to be added to the script as well, because then you have an Exchange server or Exchange online server which is linked to your domain, and of course every single user should have a an email account and mostly a telephone number, office location, description of the office, and the user's display name. So this is actually a simple method to create a user account using PowerShell, but there are more advanced methods, which of course is going to be a loop. We'll be creating like thousands of users accounts to the different departments. But for now, mind you, if you are migrating Active Directory, you'll be doing that. But if you started working, the user's account will be created manually, but probably maybe with just one. When the user joins the department, you're going to be using like a copy of this account to create a new account, because you say, okay, this user belongs to the sales department. So everything is going to be a copy of this user account, and the user will be directly assigned to this organizational unit. So next, we are going to be learning about group policy, how to create and manage group policies, how to install software using group policies, and how to enable remote desktop using group policies, and lots more.